Hello, my name is Marcel and this is my succulent soap making video. First, I made soap roast. I used 4 different kinds of oils. I mixed with the light water after heating the oil up a little bit. And I used the fragrance oil from Nurture Soaps. It has a great citrus scent. Since it's succulent, which has no scent, I wanted the soap to have a scent that is not artificial but somehow unique. So I think it was a good choice overall. Here I make some soap frosting and I made lots of succulents. I made 3 different batches. I made way more succulents for practicing before shooting the video. And there are several things I have learned as I made the succulent with soap piping. I have never worked with other materials such as butters and creams, which usually go to cakes and other baking products. So I'm not professional at all when it comes to piping. But when it's soap piping, there are some tips I would like to share. First, you don't really have to worry about slimy soap frost because you can always put them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes and it hardens a little bit, then you can make a nice soap frost. It's easier to work with. Also, start with tips that have smaller holes first because the soap gets thicker as you pipe. And when it gets thicker, then you can change it to tips with larger holes. You don't really have to prepare all the colors because as you pipe the soap, you will mix lots of colors anyway. So I recommend preparing 3 or 4 colors first, and as you mix them together, you will have new colors. And after 2 or 3 days, I decide to put those succulents on the soap that I have made before. I glued the succulent with melt and pour soap. I was going to make another batch for the glue, but the Ampy soap works just fine. And I will let you enjoy the process with the music. So here are the succulent soaps. Definitely it was a hard project. It took me more than 4 days to complete this, but I am very satisfied with the soaps that I have made, and I really hope you enjoy this video too. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.